Tired of digging through your bag for your transit card? Let's ditch the plastic and add it to your Android wallet for a smoother commute. First, make sure you've got the Android Wallet app installed and updated from the Google Play Store. Open it up. On the main screen, you'll see an Add to Wallet button. Tap it. Now, select Transit Card from the options presented. You might see other options like credit cards or loyalty cards here, but we're focusing on transit today. A list of participating transit agencies will appear. If there are any participating transit agencies, scroll through the list and find your local transit agency. Tap on your transit agency and you'll see the terms and conditions, so be sure to read them and tap I agree. If you want to add some value to your transit card, then tap the plus sign button on the right. From here, you can pay with a card already in your wallet or add a new one. Tap Save. Next, it will ask if you want to transfer your existing balance from your physical card, transfer or get a new card. Select accordingly. Once the activation is complete, your transit card will appear in your Android wallet. You'll see your current balance and a history of your recent transactions, and you're all set. Now you can tap and ride.